In this video, I will show you how to use the text tool in Photoshop, or how to add text in Photoshop. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a new document by clicking File, then New. Choose your desired dimensions and resolution and hit Create. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar on the left or press T on your keyboard. Click on your canvas to create a text box, type your text, and it will appear on the screen. To modify your text, change the font, size, color, and alignment using the options in the top toolbar. To resize or move the text, use the Move tool or press V to drag it. Press Ctrl plus T and adjust the handles to resize. Then press Enter to confirm. For added effects, apply layer styles by double-clicking the text layer to open the Layer Styles window, where you can add shadows, bevels, and more. To keep your design organized, create separate text layers for different elements by clicking the New Layer button and adding more text as needed. Align your text using the alignment tools. Select multiple text layers and choose your desired alignment from the top toolbar. That's it. Now you know how to add text and typography in Photoshop. Get creative with your designs. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.